Magandang umaga po sa inyo, Alexander Lex Studios. Bumalik na para sa inyong update on My Entrata. Mga kaibigan, may panawagan po ang Maydon official sa lahat ng netizens na active sa social media na as much as possible, stay on your lane. Kasi nga po may mga nangyayari pong di ka nais-nais mga kaibigan sa plaza at ang dami pong mga nangyayari. So sabi ni Bida Contribida, pakinggan nyo po ito. This is a Maydon Warrior official statement. Ang sabi dito sa official statement ng Maydon Warriors, over the past few days, we have observed several tweets circulating in the plaza that misuse our shipper's name to create chaos and misunderstanding. As Maydons, we firmly uphold the standard of respect and will not tolerate any form of verbal insult or disrespect toward any artist. Upon reviewing these accounts, we have noted that they are newly created and have few followers. Their actions promote hate, confusion, and discord behaviors that do not reflect the values of true blue-blooded Maydons. As our biases, Donnie and Maymay said, we practice happy shipping and spread kindness all the time. We strive to remain humble and continue sharing positivity and love even to those who may dislike or misunderstand us. Moving forward, let us dedicate our time and energy promoting Roja and celebrating these new blessings po mga kaibigan. So mga kaibigan, this is a clear statement asking everybody to be watchful. Kasi nga po, pwedeng magkaroon ng isang account ang isang tao using a false name, a pretend name, and spreading rumors and spreading hate and provoking people just to create war between and among fandoms. So this is such a good move from Maydon Warrior official admin para ma-aware ang lahat na social media is social media and there is no control dahil wala po tayong control kahit kanino at kahit sino, hindi natin makontrol. Just be mindful to report any account na talagang nag-spread ng hate or making chaos sa social media na kung saan ang purpose ay sirain ang pangalan ni Maymay Entrata and Tony Pangilinan. From the very start, we all know that they are only friends and there is nothing between them, and that this project is created not for any other purposes but to give entertainment to the watching public mga kaibigan. So yes, this project is created and given to Maymay, Donnie Kyle, Kai Emilio, Lorna Tolentino, Janice de Belen, RK Bagat Singh, and many more. Dahil they believe that Dreamscape Management and ABS-CBN Management that these people can do the role na binibigay sa kanila. And this is not for any other purposes like what other people are seeing na magkaroon ng love team. We all know Donnie is already a love team of Bel Mariano and that is very clear. And even Maydon Warrior, yung mga original Maydon Warrior, they all know that Maymay is already having Joaquin in her life as her lover. So they know their boundaries and their limitations when it comes to tweeting and when it comes to having that kilig. They are very kilig sa project ni Maymay and Donnie because this is their long-awaited project for Maymay and Donnie since they all saw the chemistry between these two people, and that this project is not anything. This project is not anything para sirain ang love team ni Maymay and Bell. No, I'm sorry. Hindi ito project para sirain ang love team ni Donnie and Maymay. We all know that the management already have these two people, Donnie and Bell, as love team. And that itong pagkakaroon nilang ng solo project is just a decision of their own para mag-grow sila sa showbiz industry. And that doesn't say na pwede nang magkaroon ng love team si Donnie or Bell outside their love team, mga kaibigan. They only agreed on one thing, na magkaroon sila ng projects individually for them to grow better sa showbiz industry. And that we, Maydon official, the Blue Blood Warriors, ay nandiyan po para i-cheer lang po si Donnie and Maymay, give them more inspiration to do better sa kanilang mga roles as action stars, mga kaibigan, as friends, kasi alam naman ng Maydon Warriors na magkaibigan po sila kahit noon pa man. And even before, my word flyers po ang meron, wala pong problema kasi nga po Maydon Warriors were always there. They were there to cheer as yung kinikilig lang, pero hindi naman naninira ng love team ng my love team. So kung kaya nagpalabas sila ng statement para maipaalam kay Donnie and Maymay and sa lahat ng Maydon Warriors na magstay sa lane as Maydon Warriors, not to ruin someone's name and to name names on someone, especially kasi ngayon lately ang palaging inaaway nito kung sino man ang sumisira ng pangalang Maydon Warriors, ang tinitira ay si Bel Mariano, and that is not acceptable syempre. Dahil sabi nga, di ba, ni Maymay and ni Donnie, we're not allowed to do something bad. They are recognizing anyone na may shipping sa kanila as long as it is happy shipping, and we are not harming anybody's name, and we don't tawag dito, sirain ang pangalan or yung alam mo na yung mga tao kung ano-anong nakikita tapos ano-anong kino-comment sa social media. So, sabi dito ni Mentor Risa, very well said. I'm a Don Bell supporter since day one, but I also respect their individual era this year. And I also know the Bell and Maymay are good friends on and off camera. I believe that true-blooded Donnie, Solid and Don Bell supporters respect their idols and co-workers as well po. So yan po, na-appreciate po ito ng Don Bell Publis, mga kaibigan. May pa-official statement pa ang Maydon kahit sa 10 na lang. Kahit sa 10 sila, mga kaibigan, but then if they're united para i-promote ang ROHA at para suportahan ang ROHA, that doesn't make them a less group, mga kaibigan. They are still a group of people na naniwala na merong magandang chemistry ng isang Maymay and Donnie Pangilinan when it comes to a project. Kaya tuloy yung idol nila medyo awkward kumilos kasi alam na boundary niya. They both in relationship, kaso pilit pa rin siniship kahit nasabi na ni Donnie yung team ng ROHA, no romance interest. So that is very correct, mga kaibigan. So yes, I don't know and I don't understand bakit maraming tao talaga ang hindi masaya for Donnie and Maymay's project. Para bang sabi nila, why this and why that. But then, it's the management who yung talagang naniniwala na maibigay nila ang magandang proyekto if they are working together, mga kaibigan. So yes, sorry na lang sa mga nasaktan, pero even me, mapasolid Maymay, mapasolid Bell, mapasolid Donnie ka man, mapasolid Bubblies ka man, or Maydon Warriors ka man, you have no right. At even me, I have no right para siraan ang sino man sa showbiz industry, at kahit sila po ay hindi po sa showbiz, kasi nga po, we have no right to do that. O, diba? Sa ngalan ng batas, wala po tayong karapatan sirain or siraan ang isang tao because that is slander, that is libelous, and that is against the law, mga kaibigan. So kung kaya diba, binigyan ng aksyon ng Star Magic Philippines yung netizens na gustong na nagbigay ng life threat kay Miss Kim Chiu dahil yan po ay hindi po kanais-nais at hindi po katanggap-tanggap sa lipunan. Ibang story na po when you are threatening someone, yung buhay nila po, mga kaibigan. And that is just right na bigyan niya ng aksyon ng Star Magic Philippines to protect their artists. It's the same way with Donnie, Maymay, and Belle, na kahit sino pa man dyan, wala po tayong karapatang magmata, makialam sa kanilang mga personal life because that is their personal life. You are just there, pwede ka lang maging fan, maging dedicated as fan, pero wala kang karapatan maging possessive at maging protective sa artista to the extent na pwede mong gawin ang gusto mong gawin, siraan ng iba just to protect your favorite star. And that is, I think, against the law, mga kaibigan. Yung siraan ng isang tao, names isang tao, at mapagmata ka sa kanya, very judgment ka sa kanya. Wala po tayong karapatan doon. Alexander Lexter Jules, thank you, my Don Warriors, for this very clear statement para maipaalam kay Donnie and Maymay, kay Belle Mariano, na wala po kayong intensyon na siraan ang kung anumang meron si Belle at saka si Donnie, si Maymay at saka si Belle, si Maymay at saka si Donnie, because all of them are friends under one umbrella, under one management, under ABS-CBN and Star Magic Philippines. Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang morning.